Hello and welcome to Sassy Saints facial kit tutorial. Today I'm going to take you through an in-depth step-by-step tutorial on everything you need to know about how to use your facial kit. I'll be covering all the do's and don'ts to ensure you can achieve salon quality bio-microneedling results from the comfort of your home without the discomfort associated with traditional microneedle treatments. Now, to begin the process, let's gather all the supplies we need for one full treatment. Having everything ready will make the process smooth and efficient. What you will need for one full treatment is 1 Bio-Microneedle powder, 1 Bio-Microneedle liquid, 1 collagen sheet mask, and half of your revitalizing glow serum. We also recommend getting ready the following items: an applicator brush, mixing bowl, face towel, scissors. Before we dive into the application demo, I want to highlight some important precautions when using the Sassy Saints facial kit at home for the first time. Our facial kit works similar to microneedling but without the actual needles and discomfort, making it a more comfortable experience. However, because this treatment offers more than a regular exfoliating routine, it's crucial to follow the guidelines to ensure for best results and avoid any adverse effects. To get the best results, it's important to follow the instructions closely. This is a salon-grade treatment, and when used correctly, it will leave your skin feeling refreshed and glowing. Sticking to these guidelines will help ensure you avoid any issues and enjoy the full benefits of the treatment. One key thing to note is that for 72 hours after using the kit, you must avoid applying skincare or applying makeup. This is because the microcrystals need time to penetrate the skin and work through the skin's metabolism. If you apply skincare or makeup or touch your face with unclean hands too soon, bacteria could enter the skin, potentially causing irritation. After 72 hours, you can resume your normal skincare routine and makeup application. It's very important to follow these steps to ensure for optimal results and to prevent any unnecessary irritation to your skin. Some other important details to know are as follows. If you accidentally come into contact with your eyes, wash the algae mask out immediately with water. If you have any mature sores or whiteheads, avoid these areas and work around the eye area during application. Whilst massaging during the microneedling mask, you may feel a slight prickling sensation caused by the countless microneedles stimulating the skin and collagen production. This is normal. Redness may appear after the treatment, lasting around 24 to 36 hours. Drink lots of water and avoid alcohol or activities that make you sweat at least 1 to 2 days post-treatment. We advise you always use sunscreen when exposed to sunlight after the treatment. Avoid touching your face with your hands after you've done the treatment to prevent any risk of dirt or bacteria contacting your skin. Avoid the gym, swimming, saunas, steam rooms, and high levels of UV exposure such as tanning beds for 72 hours. Do not forcibly peel off any dead skin cells. Moisturize properly until they shed naturally. Avoid using any other exfoliating products such as scrubs, AHAs, BHAs, and retinol with this treatment for at least 1 week. After using our facial kit, you'll notice improved skin's texture and tone, reduced fine lines and wrinkles, minimized pores, and improved sun-damaged skin and hyperpigmentation. Our facial kit is suitable for all skin types, including acne-prone, dry, normal, and combination skin. If you have sensitive skin, you can dilute the Bio-Microneedling liquid and the Bio-Microneedling powder with a bit of water to make the mixture gentler on the skin. For optimal results, we recommend to use our kit every 10 to 14 days. Before applying your Bio-Microneedle treatment, ensure you have clean, makeup-free dry skin and remove any makeup or oils, as these can interfere with the effectiveness of the treatment. Also, make sure to double cleanse your skin and wash your hands extremely well before starting the treatment. Take your small mixing bowl and combine the full amount of Bio-Microneedle liquid with the Bio-Microneedle powder. Mix well with the brush, ensuring there are no lumps and you are left with a smooth paste. Using your applicator brush, start applying a first layer to your skin. The mask can dry quickly, so continue applying more layers until you've used all of the paste. Be sure to avoid the eye area. Next, use your fingers to massage the paste into your skin using circular motions. You will feel a slight tingling sensation. This is the microneedling solution at work. Don't stress, this is normal. We recommend massaging the product into your skin for 5 minutes. Now leave the mask on for 15 minutes without further massage massaging until it's fully dry. Next, wash the mask off with lukewarm water, taking care not to get any into your eyes. Ensure your face is completely free of the mask after washing. Next, open the collagen sheet mask, unfold it and place it onto your face for 15 minutes. If the mask doesn't fit properly, I will now show you how to adjust it so it fits your face perfectly. Afterward, remove the mask and allow the remaining residue to dry into your skin. Afterward, remove the mask and massage the remaining residue into your skin with clean hands. Afterward, remove the mask and the remaining residue. Finally, apply 3 pea-sized drops of serum from the syringe onto your hands and massage them into your skin. Continue applying the serum for 3 more days, both morning and evening. Now that you've completed your treatment, it's time to let the magic happen. In the coming days, you'll likely notice your skin looking very clean and glowing. However, it's completely normal for your skin to appear red for the first few days post-facial. As the redness fades, your skin will start to peel, revealing fresh new layers underneath. You'll begin to see visible improvements to your skin, and the more you consistently use the mask, the more dramatic the results will be. After using our facial kit, you can expect smoother skin texture, improved tone, reduced fine lines and wrinkles, minimized pores, and improvements in sun damage and hyperpigmentation. To make sure you get optimal results, we repeat the most important aftercare tips. Avoid this treatment coming into contact with your eyes. If contact occurs, rinse them immediately. Do not apply the facial mixture to any open wounds or sores. Wait until they are fully healed. Avoid washing your face for 24 hours after the facial and refrain from wearing skincare or makeup for up to 72 hours post-treatment. Only use the serum provided in the kit for up to 72 hours after the facial. Avoid swimming pools, saunas, steam rooms, sunbeds, and UV exposure for 72 hours. Limit touching your face for 72 hours to avoid bacteria entering your pores, which could lead to blemishes. Avoid using any other exfoliating products for at least 1 week. Make sure to sleep on clean bed sheets and touch your face as limited as possible. Thank you for watching the Sassy Saints facial kit tutorial. By following these simple steps and aftercare instructions, you'll be able to achieve radiant glowing skin right from your home. Remember to follow the guidelines closely for best results. I'll see you in the next tutorial.